Hi.
Hi.
How old are you?
6, 7.
What are we doing?
Pulling out my tooth.
Okay. You gonna be a big girl?
My 6th tooth.
Yeah. Like this? Ah? Yeah, that thing's ready. Show. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's ready. Do you want to pull it out yourself? Or do you want me to do it?
I want to do it.
Do it. Show us how strong you are.
I don't want to do it.
Okay, like this?
Is it going to hurt? Is it going to be quick?
Yes. Oh, that's already out. Relax.
Don't do the fork.
Go down so we can see. Open your mouth. Hold on, it's got to go this way. That's out. It's already out. Watch. See? Pull it out.
Ta-da!
Pull it out yourself. Good job.
Did you?
Did you get it?
Yeah!
Smile. Let's see. Let's see the blood. Yeah, see the tooth. See the tooth. Big smile. Oh yeah, you're covered in blood. Look at that thing.
Oh, that hurt.
Okay.